I'm so happy.
A case that I think could really provide you value is Lauren's case. So let's go dive into the treatment planning process. So this is Lauren. When she first came to see me, her biggest complaint was that she was very unhappy with her appearance. She had had implants placed elsewhere. She was hoping that she would be able to get teeth that were more natural and closer to what she had before she lost them. But unfortunately, she didn't get what she hoped for. A lot of our cases here are revision cases, which means redoing the work from other offices. So as soon as we were able to take some photos in our studio and to evaluate her facial profile and her current set of teeth, there are several issues going on. First, her teeth are too small. It's just not an ideal aesthetic profile. And this is accentuated by the fact that she has a fairly high smile line. And so when she smiles, especially in this picture here, you can appreciate how there's just so much gum showing. And that's just made worse by the size of her small teeth. Some other things that I'm noticing is that these teeth have too much lip support. So when she smiles, her lip is moving way up, causing a really poor aesthetic profile. In addition, the lower teeth are a little bit too high and the occlusal plane is pretty flat. That just means where the upper teeth and the lower teeth come together. Okay, now that we have some problems that we want to fix, let's look at her x-ray. So on this x-ray, we can see that she's had implants placed elsewhere and she has 6 on top and she has 4 on the bottom. These implants support teeth that actually clip onto these implants and you take them in and out. So they're a step above dentures, but they're not how teeth are intended to be, where they just stay in your mouth and don't come in and out. One of the issues with having implants already placed is if they're not in the proper location, it's really hard to make a second set of teeth that stay in place on those same existing implants. So in this x-ray, the implants appear to be in adequate position for dentures or denture supported implants, but not for teeth that stay in the mouth. So a couple things I'm noticing here. In the lower jaw, I drew out this yellow line and you can see how uneven that surface is. We want to move the lower teeth down, and in order for me to do that, I need to create space. So we need a nice level surface where implants can go in that can support teeth that are lower in her mouth. In addition, these upper implants, they're also too low. And so if we want to make sure that she doesn't show too much gum, we have to really contour the bone in both the upper and lower jaws for us to achieve that. Whenever we do revision cases, it's always more challenging. That's why the optimal thing to do is seek out the right professional and do it right from the beginning. In this case, we had to remove all of her implants because they just were not in the right position. Implants are not like teeth. We can't move them with braces. In order to get them in the right position, they had to be replaced with new additional implants. And so let's take a look at that now. So this is an x-ray taken immediately after her surgery. And you can appreciate here how this bone is nice and level now. The bumps and the hills and the jagged profile that we saw on the previous x-ray. And you can see here that all of her old implants have been removed and we place new implants, but now these implants are in a much nicer position. The jawbone is nice and level, and then on the top, we move the implants up even more to address her gummy smile. This implant right here on this upper right side is called a pterygoid implant, and that's an advanced type of implant where we place this implant to give additional support to her upper teeth, and that's important when there's just not adequate bone to support conventional implants. Best of all, with these implants in their new positions, we were able to 3D print the teeth on the day of her surgery and give her teeth on that same exact day that don't come in and out of her mouth.
Okay, here you go. What do you think?
I'm so happy. I have teeth now.
So here's a side-by-side picture of before and after. This is how she came to my office. This is after we did her surgery and she got her 3D printed teeth on the same day. So immediately you can see that she looks way more natural. She's just herself. Over here, it almost feels like she's forcing that smile. Over here on this right side, the smile looks very natural. The teeth are following the curvature of the lip, and the teeth are larger, which really fits her face better. But best of all, her teeth don't come out of her mouth. Her teeth look and function pretty much like natural teeth. I hope Lauren's case brought you some value. If you are experiencing frustrations with your teeth, go ahead and give us a call. We offer free consultations and x-rays. This way we can get you the information that you need so that you can make the best decision for your health.